How can you present thousands of patients' treatment sequences in a readable way with AI and data? Combining the power of AI and data, we created the TAC algorithm. TAC stands for Time Sequence Analysis through K-clustering. For example, what treatments did 3,000 French HIV patients receive within the first 2 years after diagnosis? Representing treatment sequences for 3 patients is easy. But how to go from 3 to 3,000 patients? First, let's see the treatment sequences through a sunburst graph. The inner circle represents each patient's first treatment. Here, 70% of the cohort started with a triple antiretroviral therapy and 23% started with a drug holiday. The second circle represents the second treatment. 7% of the cohort started with triple therapy and followed by double therapy, while 7% went on taking single therapy and 5% took a drug holiday. Finally, the sunburst gives an overview of all treatment sequences in the cohort. But in the sunburst, 2 treatment sequences can look the same, even if their temporalities are really different. So, how to precisely display temporality in patients' sequences? Here comes TAC. Initially, patients are not sorted. TAC starts by intelligently sorting all the sequences to extract readable information. One by one, patients are placed between the 2 patients whose treatment sequences are the closest. And it goes on until all patients are placed into the sorted area. Then TAC stacks all patients to build an image. Finally, TAC blurs the output to allow readability. In this sample, based on data from 187 HIV patients, we can clearly see the array of treatment sequences timelines. This is how we address medical questions. Combining the TAC graphs with the initial sunburst, we get a detailed understanding of all treatment sequences in the cohort. To go further, let's see what else TAC can reveal. Here is TAC of a cohort. The real-life medical practice perfectly matched the treatment guidelines in 120 patients, whereas a 2-month drug shortage induced a drug holiday in 360 patients. Focusing on drug B, it was given as a second-line treatment to 400 patients and as a third-line treatment to 110 patients. In addition, patients from Group A were older than patients from Group B.